Hey, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular, and we're here in the factory doing a tour of this house. This is one of the City Series plans, the single level, single pod design that we have on our site. This one sits about 800 square feet, and as always, as most customers do, they made some modifications to it. This one is really cool. We're excited to document this one today, and then again on set day, and then hopefully down the road as the homeowner finishes it. But let's take a look at it today. So if I come over here, you can see the mono roof design on this. The ceiling on the inside follows the roof design. And so they went with this really unique window pattern here, and then again they replicated it on the other side, which we'll see in a little bit here. They did zip walls on this just as specific that the homeowner was looking for. They're going to do a big 4-foot overhang on this as well. It's going to be pretty awesome. We're excited to see that too. But let's walk through here. We'll come in through here over here this way, and you can kind of see how this lays out. Again, this is the City Series 800 square foot city pod design. So as we come in, this is going to be tucked away way in the woods and that, so there's not really a front entrance sort of a thing here on this house in terms of how it lays out. You just kind of come into the house wherever, so to speak. So there's a big sliding glass door that's going to be on here. And then some big windows here, obviously here as well, and over here. So this is kind of the living room space here, if you can kind of imagine it with me here. And then over here is the kitchen, and it's going to have a peninsula that kind of comes out over here as well. Real modern design on the cabinets and everything. And you can see, as I was mentioning before, that mono roof, the ceiling is going to follow this roof line up. And then we come in through here. We're working on electrical and that sort of thing right now on this house. You come in down through here is your basement, and they're going to finish the basement out as well on this house. So we've got the cuts in here. You can see it right here. The cuts for the stairs to come down. The stairs don't come from the factory. You need to measure those and get those done on site, but the stairwell is done ahead of time. Bedroom 2 is here. Huge window in bedroom 2, lots and lots and lots and lots of light coming in this house. Also pretty cool is putting this window in the stairwell to come down. I love this. This is really going to make it feel like it's a part of the rest of the living space when you come in. So it's just something to think about when you're thinking about your build. They have a big, huge transom window in here up high on this wall to really open this up quite a bit here as well. So you come in, and then you have a bath and a half actually. So here's the full bath over here as we kind of come in. Okay, so here's our full bath in through here. Another window in here as well, which is great. And then we come back through here. If you can go with me on this journey. We got a pocket door here. There's the framing for the pocket door. And then a half bath here. So toilet and sink over here. And then here is the other bedroom. Closet space, little desk sort of space here with a window above it. All these big, big windows in here. Anywhere that there's an opportunity to put glass in here, we did. And I love this design. It came out really, really nice. You can see these huge windows in here. This will be an actual door out to a deck space. There will be a deck over there where that sliding glass door was also. And there's gonna be another window up above this also. It's gonna be really, really nice. So if you're thinking about this and asking these questions to yourself, the ceiling comes down over here just under 8 foot, just under 8 foot over here. So still high enough where I can't quite touch the ceiling, and I'm about 6 foot. And then over here it comes all the way up to 10 foot. But it looks really, really, really great. We're so excited about this and how this has come together. It's been a bit since we've done one of our city pod designs through that City Series. We love this design. Well, as I mentioned before, we'll document this house when the set day happens on this, so you can see it with cabinets in and see it in its setting as it's going to be. It's a beautiful setting in the middle of the woods. It's going to be fantastic. We're excited about this one and excited to see another one of our city pod designs come to life. As always, please feel free to reach out to us about your building project and the questions you have. You can feel free to leave comments below on questions you have about this particular design and build, and maybe some specifics that maybe I didn't get into, or you'd like more details on that I did touch on briefly in this video. But as always, thanks so much for watching.